So we are here to learn all about the Comprehensive Articulation Agreement, better known as the CAA. So why do students need to know about the Comprehensive Articulation Agreement? Well, it's because it is a legally binding agreement between the NC Community College systems and the four-year UNC public school systems of North Carolina. I'll show you a list in just a little while of the schools that participate with that. So what it does is it protects the credits that you take at the community colleges and is sure that you don't waste your time or money and you're able to transfer those if you decide to go to a four-year institution after JCC. So here are some notes that we're going to go over that can help you understand the main points of the CAA. Then after our session today, you'll be able to read the CAA and watch the video within week 4's content so that you can really understand it on another level. Hopefully it will all sound familiar to you after hearing this video and then also the video in week 4. The actual agreement is 36 pages and I definitely encourage you to read that so that you can be well versed in all of the protection that you receive as a student. So the CAA has different layers. If you attend the community college and you take classes, all of these transfer courses, which are known as the You Get C, which ironically would help you remember that you need to get a C or better in order for those courses to transfer. So that's one of the stipulations is you have to get a C or better on all of those courses to transfer to the four-year. If you receive a D, you still get credit for them at JCC, but they won't be able to transfer. If you finish your entire Associates in Arts or Associates of Science degree, you're guaranteed admission to one of those participating schools. Now, don't get mixed up because it's not a school of your choice, but you will get guaranteed admission to one of those schools. So you still should apply to the schools of your choice, but if for some reason you're having trouble getting into one of those schools, there's a process that you'll be able to follow that assures you admission. As long as you have a 2.0 or better with a C in all of those classes. So that protection is only if you complete the AA or AS. If you don't complete your full degree, you still get protection on those You Get C courses to transfer to the four-year institution. You will have satisfied all of your lower gen ed requirements, and you should transfer to your four-year with junior status. Junior status would be your third year of college. So you would do your first 2 years if you finished your AA or AS at the community college, and you would start on your third year once you get to the four-year institution. The only fine print courses that some four-years have exceptions with are your language courses and your PE course. They could require you to take those at the four-year institution. I am going to show you, one moment. I'm going to show you the transfer site that's really helpful for you if you plan to transfer to a four-year institution, and it lists all of the schools that participate within the agreement. So I'm in week 4 of our content. This is where you can go to find it. This is the important video about the CAA that you should read this week. And here's the link that takes you directly to the CAA, which as promised is 36 pages. You'll scroll down and under the BDP, you'll find the Center for Academic Planning website, and here's a list of the schools that participate with the CAA. These are all of the public institutions that signed the agreement. And then down below, you'll find some independent private colleges and universities that have an agreement as well. It's just an independent articulation agreement. So you just need to be sure that you research those courses and ensure that those colleges take all of the courses that you're taking at the community college. When you click on each school, you'll find a list of subtopics underneath it. This website is really helpful for anyone who plans to transfer. And I'll share that website with you when I send out this video as well. If anybody has any questions about the CAA, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks.